We hope to have a permanent home for this event here in Abuja, not at Enugu or Onitsha. It is hoped that the federal government, the state government, and patriotic individuals in Nigeria will help to bring this about. Soon, we will enter the new Nigeria of great unity, peace, and explosive progress. What will be more? Nigeria will be so arranged, close to our borders, that every group in Nigeria will be very happy and proud of Nigeria. Oodua, Biafra, and other presently unhappy groups shall find expression and happiness inside one Nigeria. We thank God for the early manifestation of the new Nigeria, in which conscience will resurrect in the hearts of men, and man's mess up of God's design for Nigeria will end. And because of Nigeria, all blacks on earth will experience great respect and dignity among nations of the world. And Nigeria will begin to play her appointed major role in world affairs. All glory to our God. Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. So God has ordained it, and so it must be. So help us, God.